Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. I used the chocolate gold palette by Too Faced. These eyeshadows are hella pigmented. Everyone has seen this palette already. Zoom that into the eye. If you would like to see how I transform, keep on watching. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty in the shade 260. To buff that foundation in, I'm gonna be using the Sigma F80. This is really soft. And I do like to work in sections. It does dry up pretty quickly. For concealer today, I am using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'll be taking this Morphe brush. So today for my contour, I'm using this Naked Skin little contour stick. This is from Urban Decay. This is in the shade Dark Neutral. To blend the contour out, I will be taking this Morphe G40 brush. Before I set the under eye area with translucent powder, I'm gonna go back in with the concealer and just add a tad bit more. Taking the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm just gonna go ahead and set that under eye concealer. That same brush that we used to blend out that contour, I'm just going to take the Anastasia contour kit in the shade light to medium. I'm just going to be taking these three shades. Next, I'm picking up this Morphe M403 brush. I'll just be taking a little tiny bit of that translucent powder and setting the rest of the face. Taking that same brush, I'm picking up some of the Tarte Paaarty blush. I believe you get this blush for free, like at Sephora when it's your birthday. It's like a mauve pink color. It's really cute. Apply some of this setting mist. So I will be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose contour. Okay, so this is what I came up with. It smells delightful. I'm taking the same concealer that we used for the under eye area and applying it over the lid to work as a eyeshadow primer. And to begin, I'm going to take the Rolling in Dough white shadow, just setting that concealer into place. And taking this So Bougie brown shadow, this will be our transition color. So I will be blending this shadow right above the crease, blending it really neatly. Using that same brush, I'm just picking up some of that Cocoa Truffle shade. It's a bit darker than the other one, and we're just going to focus that shade right on the crease using windshield wiper motions. And once I get to this outer corner of the eye, I usually do circular motions to blend my eyeshadow out. Alright, so now taking my MAC 217 in this green shimmery shadow, we're going to be focusing that shadow in the inner part of the eye and the outer part of the eye, leaving the lid space clean because that's where the gold shadow will be applied. And I am just taking a small amount of the green, and later I will go back and add some more to intensify it. So here I'm just picking up more of that brown shade just to blend those two together. Taking my ring finger, I'm going to grab some of that gold shadow in the palette. I just feel like it works better when you apply it with your finger first. And then I'm just taking a very detailed brush just to apply a little more, and I did wet this brush a little bit with some Fix Plus. Alright, so I'm taking a little pencil brush and adding some more of the green just to intensify that a little more, and then taking the MAC 217 to blend the green eyeshadow out. And then using a clean brush, I'm picking up some more of the Cocoa Truffle brown shade and adding more right above the green just so we can blend those two together. Here I'm actually adding some translucent powder to clean up the edges and make it look a little more cleaner since I've already added my concealer. I'm using this Inglot Gel Liner in the shade 77 with this very small Real Techniques brush, and I just wanted to focus on creating a very small wing to not cover any of the eyeshadow. Taking a pencil brush and Cocoa Truffle, which is the brown shade we used. After that shade is there, we're gonna go ahead and take this angled brush. I added some green to the bottom lash line. I am gonna be taking a little bit of the gold as well, adding it to the center. This Urban Decay eyeliner, I think this is in the shade Smoke Out, but it's brown. I'll be taking some more of that gold shade, adding that to the inner corner of the eye. Now we can go ahead and coat the lashes with mascara. So here I'm going back with my 217 MAC brush. I'm just going to blend out some more that green eyeshadow and actually apply a tad bit more of the gold. Meanwhile, my other eyelash is drying. We're gonna go in with highlight, my absolute favorite palette, Forever Young. I do recommend to you do your eyeshadow first because these eyeshadows are very pigmented. For lashes, I'm using these super old eyelashes that I just found right now. This is probably the last time that I'll be using them before I throw them away because they've been used like 1,000 times. These are Cocoa lashes in the style Amour. Alright, so for lipstick, I just kind of want to use not a very dramatic color, but still have some color. I'm going to go in with this Lime Crime Shroom Liquid Lip. Alright, you guys, so this completes today's look. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in my next video. Well, I'm going to sleep, so let's just set this face, you know. I am about to take this glam off. I'm going to sleep. It's okay though. Until next time, thank you so much. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more.